guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today I wanted to do a little review of a product that I saw on Twitter, and I was like, right after I bought it, I said, why did I buy this? But it just looks so cute. And this is the Beauty Blender washer machine thing. So it's like a little washing machine, and I was like, okay, I have to have that, but does it actually work? Is it actually going to clean my thing? We'll see that in the video today, so let's get into it. I'm excited. Let's see if this works. So yeah. Okay guys, so this right here is the little contraption that I bought online. Ooh, let's focus that in. Okay, yeah. So this is what I bought. So basically it's just like a little plastic box. It's like a toy. It comes with a little lid. There's a motor. The one thing that I don't like is that it comes with a screw right here. So that's why it took me forever to film this, because I couldn't find a screwdriver for it. But it needs 2 AA batteries, and then you press this little button right here and it just kind of like spins in there. So it goes like that. So it's basically a simple motor. And then it comes with this, which just kind of makes it more cute, a little hose for the water, which honestly is kind of unnecessary because you can just dump the water out. So this actually didn't come with any instructions, so I'm guessing that all you do is put hot water in it, and then it said your choice. Like, I saw people online just putting their choice of soap, and for me, when I use my beauty blenders, I use literally just Dawn soap to wash it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some hot water right now. Okay, so I put some hot water. This thing isn't waterproof, so I don't really want to get it wet. Okay, that water's hot. I'm just gonna put this right here. Let's put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can follow. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some soap in here. And then I'm going to dunk a dirty beauty blender. Now this is like dirty, like this isn't just a one-time use, like this is dirty, it's been in there. So there's literally, wow, I put too much water. Okay, hold on guys. Okay. So you dunk your beauty blender in there, you put the little lid on, and I guess you just press the button, so. Oh, that's so weird. I can actually see it kind of working. So if you guys take a look in there, there's my beauty blender getting tossed around. You could literally open the lid. I don't think the beauty blender likes it anymore. Okay, hold on. Let me. Okay. This actually kind of worked. I really didn't. Oh, I think. Ew, all the water came out. Okay. I don't think that's safe for the battery. Well, hold on a second. Maybe we do need this thing. Oh, that's so cute. It's like peeing. Oh my gosh, you can see all the dirtiness that comes out. Look at that, guys. Sorry if there's so much rustling. But yeah, so I guess that's how the water comes out. Okay, let me set you guys down. So, oof. This is how the beauty blender came out. It doesn't look that clean, to be honest with you guys. This is the thing. Do I think, ooh, okay. Do I think that this is something that you're like gonna use on a daily basis? No, as you can see, it's very inconvenient. The water's spilling literally everywhere. And let me just show you how fast. So I have another beauty blender that is dirty, and like how fast it takes to wash it by hand. So you just stick it under there, you get some soap, you put the soap right there. Wait, it's hot. And then you just kind of massage the beauty blender and put some cold water. But you see, like by hand it's so fast. The machine is definitely cute, but I don't know guys. It's a novelty item. It's definitely not gonna clean your beauty blender because look, this is me by hand, just a couple seconds, not even as much time as I usually would. And like, you tell me, there's definitely a difference. So I still would have to go manually and clean this afterwards. Okay guys, so that was probably the shortest video, but would I recommend this thing? Would you, should you go out and buy this? No. If you see like, I don't know, can you see inside? Let's see. Beep, 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 beep. I don't think you can see inside, but right here, there's like all this dirtiness still inside, so you still have to wash the machine afterwards, and like, it's just not really that convenient. So this is a cute toy. Is it gonna be used often? No, too much work. So this is cute, but if you see it on Twitter, don't buy it. Well, you could if you want, but I don't think it's worth it. So thank you for watching my video. Keep on watching the rest of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.